a small example from the big ones. This is the big one. Over here, this is what our client says about us. I should really thank Mr. Mark and the team for the hard work and integrity, which really helped us reach this kind of success. And what made us reach that insane score, of course, is because how fast we used to deliver the project to our clients, and we're always available to answer their questions and assist them. And one more thing, well, one of the most important thing is that we do care about their client, to deliver them a highly tech softwares. So we have selected the best in market to be partnered with. As you can see on the screen, we are actually partnered with Salesforce at the top, HubSpot, Cloudera, Avaya, DocuSign, Twilio, and more, in order to offer a full spectrum of services to our clients. We also do offer different types of services, which are web and mobile app development, e-commerce solutions, and of course, Salesforce at the top. We have selected Salesforce as our premier CRM platform for companies of all sizes by implementation and support plans to make all this as affordable and accessible as possible to all businesses. Also, I would like to show you a quick video. Let me share it, just a moment. I hope you like this video.
We don't see anything yet, Islam.
Yeah. Now you'll see it.
We can't hear the voice well. You need to enable that.
I'm sorry? You can see the...
Yeah, we can't hear the voice.
Okay, then. All right, let me... Now can you hear the voice? Now can you hear the voice?
It's very low.
It's very low. Let me... I believe this is because of the... Now can you hear the voice? Okay, great. Sorry for that.
Second thought, let's make them happier with Service Cloud. Let's personally connect with each customer how they want, the second they need, on the world's #1 intelligent customer service platform. An advanced AI-powered platform that better empowers managers to better empower agents, to better connect with customers, anytime, anywhere, through any device. Finding solutions faster, even before the customer knows there's an issue, using the advanced algorithm of productivity plus efficiency times infinity, where the solution equals more productive agents, more efficient cost, more satisfied customers. A platform that unlocks legacy customer data, aligning service, sales, and marketing with a 360-degree view of each customer. So everyone is in the know, knowing more about the customer than the customer may actually know, which for customer success is good to know. A platform that scales with you, providing customers with a consistent, convenient, omni-channel experience across every channel. Social, web, text, email, calls, products, self-service portals and communities. That new thing we're told is so hot right now.
So hot right now.
Because like your customers, you're able to quickly adapt to change, keeping your business agile to your customer service needs. Plus, it connects your entire mobile workforce, so field agents are in the loop, even when they're driving the loop. You can also integrate with any backend system and customize any service process with low-code tools like Lightning and Process Builder. And you can quickly plug in thousands of trusted pre-built service apps on the Salesforce App Exchange, all while receiving the latest tools and innovations 3 times a year, built on the trusted and secure Salesforce platform to help keep your agents and customers happier at every step. Visit Trailhead to get started and learn how to keep customers happier with Service Cloud. Blaze your trail with Salesforce.
So as you've seen in the video, with Salesforce at the core, we can help companies and your business to easily identify new opportunities, drive marketing campaigns, manage customers' data, improve internal and external communication, and get engaged more with your customer, even from your home. And most importantly, improve their decision-making ability. And now I'll turn the time over to Isna. She will discuss more about Salesforce and why we recommend Salesforce as the best solution for businesses. Go ahead, Ms. Isna.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Islam,
You're welcome.
for the wonderful presentation. Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining the call. I'm Isna Junaid, and I'm working as the Director Operations of Citrix Cloud. So I'll tell you a brief about, so Islam, can you keep sharing that presentation, or shall I share something from my side? Okay, I'll share from
As you
my
like.
end. Yeah, I'll share from my end. Let me open something. Yeah, let me share my screen. Please let me know when everybody can see my screen. Okay, can everybody see my screen? Islam, is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Perfect. I'll put it to presentation mode. So telling a little bit about Citrix Cloud. Citrix Cloud, as Islam already told you, we are a USA-based company, and we came in KSA in 2019. When I came, I had the vision that I want to be the #1 partner of Salesforce in Saudi Arabia. That was the vision I had in my mind. It was a very hard and a very challenging vision, because when I started, doing marketing about Salesforce, talking to people about Salesforce, I got to know they knew nothing. I mean, they were so much aware about Microsoft or SAP, Oracle. Salesforce seems to them a very new name. And the second challenge was that they thought of a CRM to be an accessory, something which is not mandatory. It's something nice to have, but not a must to have. So this was the perception of people a year ago. But after COVID-19, especially in the pandemic, this whole perception was changed 360 degree. Companies, C-level executives, owners, entrepreneurs, they realized the importance what digital transformation is for any organization. You need to have your customers, your employees, everyone around your business to be connected each other at all times with a 360 overview of your every touch point of business. And that's exactly what Salesforce is giving. The only bad thing about Salesforce is the name Salesforce. They think it is something which is just increasing your sales, or it's something to automate your sales, but that's not the case. It is a platform where you bring everybody around your business, your employees, your managers, the one who approves something, the one who rejects something, your customers, the service agents, everybody on one platform. Salesforce is the #1 CRM, the number one in service, the #1 in marketing, and the #1 ranked for sales. Again, for Salesforce, there are different products. They have a sales cloud where basically you're managing your sales pipeline, your approval processes. Let's suppose if I'm a company, ABC Cables, okay, I get an inquiry. Let's suppose that, okay, Aramco or anybody needs 1,000, bundles of cables or whatsoever. I received an inquiry. It can be through my website. It can be through my maybe Twitter page, LinkedIn page, or door-to-door marketing activities. What's the next step? Maybe I need to pass it on over to to a project manager. And then it goes to the pre-sales, and then it goes to the account manager. They prepare the proposal, then it goes to the finance to review it. So, there is a methodology which should be followed, a systematic approach which should be followed in companies. But before COVID-19, everything was going up manually. Okay, Yani, this goes to this. Okay, Holly Wally, you're doing it manually. Excel sheets are fine. I'm doing my business. It's all okay. But now, everybody's scattered. Somebody is stuck in Ukraine, somebody is stuck in Australia, somebody is stuck in India. What now? So many document exchanges. It creates like so many loopholes in the communication, which actually results in an ambiguity in your business processes. That's where Salesforce comes in. There's a there's a standard procedures, methodology, schematic flow of your business cycle, which is incorporated in Salesforce, right? Then they have Service Cloud, another very, very important product. Service Cloud basically brings all the customers and especially the service providers on one channel. They have a digital engagement where you receive inquiries over the phone, over the website, from your Facebook, from your Twitter, or any another social platform. And those inquiries, it can be a new product information, it can be a customer complaint, it can be a request for maintenance or any other services. It is automatically assigned to the one who is handling the right domain of the customer request, and then it is proceeded accordingly. Let's suppose, and in Service Cloud, you're basically tracking the time which you are engaged in, which you're engaged with the customer and which you are resolving the customer issue. And this timeline is set by company to company. If you think you're in real estate, maybe you need to give 4 days to resolve the issue. If you're in banking, you need to give 48 hours to resolve the issue. It all depends on the time for the company. Let's suppose if the time is exceeded, the case is not closed yet. Actually, the inquiry which comes is converted to a case in Service Cloud. Let's suppose the case is still not closed, it automatically goes to the manager, all right? So he can have a visibility that, okay, this is a customer who needs something and my team who is working underneath me, the team in the service or the sales are not able to address the customer. What's the issue? So immediately, the management gets involved. So this is basically another very interesting product of Salesforce. Then they have communities. In communities, you can involve business partners, vendors, customers, all on one channel where you're exchanging some useful information which can be needed from time to time. Then they have Product and Marketing Cloud. These are the marketing automation platforms. So every company does marketing in a different way. All right. Some companies do extensive marketing on social media. Some people run webinars. Some people run trade shows, okay, global events, international events. What I see basically is a lot of times the companies invest thousands or millions, but the outcome is they get a fishbowl of contact cards, but then what? You're not able to get the result out of your marketing activities, which you should get based on your investment. The return is not likewise. That's where Salesforce comes in. They have a marketing automation platform in which, let's suppose, you set the entire journey of your marketing. Number one, there is a trade show, okay? Secondly, you get a list of attendees or invites, okay? Before the trade show, you need to send a newsletter or a registration form or maybe some brochures or anything. After the trade show, you need to send a follow-up email to all of those. After the follow-up email, if anybody responds, what is going to be the next step? Is it a meeting? Is it a proposal? Is it a discussion? Is it a call? I mean, this is you to decide the journey, what journey you want step by step for your, for your business. It can be product-based or service-based. So that's where Marketing Cloud and Product comes in. Then Einstein. Einstein is basically the artificial intelligence platform, which is working on the back. They have the best AI in Salesforce, which helps you in forecasting, which helps you in reporting, which helps you, let's suppose there is a product called Social Studio, where you are getting insights with hashtags, who is speaking about, let's suppose, Pepsi or Coca-Cola. On Facebook or on Twitter. So you get, consolidated report that, okay, so many people are speaking negative about you. So many people mention you positively. These are the profiles. So it's like in a Sherlock Holmes, you have thrown on the social media to find out who is speaking what and where is your business going, and then doing the forecasting and then intelligent scorecard estimations on your different KPIs of your business. Again, Salesforce CRM, the best thing is that the same platform is there on your mobiles, it's there on your tablet. It's not something that it just needs it just needs an internet. I mean, the same speed. What do you need to open a Gmail? You just need to have that much bandwidth. You have your own Salesforce ID, you have your account, you have your profile inside Salesforce, and you're good to go. You can open it on your desktop, on your tablets, on your iPhones, and yeah, so it can be opened in any kind of a device. And as I said, this circle is telling about different products of Salesforce. And you know why? What's one good thing about Salesforce is that it is amended from business to business. This kind of customizations is very difficult in other products, especially Oracle or Microsoft. And to be honest, that is why a lot of my customers are ex-Microsoft users, and then they are converting themselves to Salesforce. That's because when you get Salesforce and when you come to Citrix, we develop the whole instance completely on your business, like it's completely translated in your business language. How do you want the contacts? Is it based on industries? Is it hospitals? Is it the clinics? Is it pharmaceutical companies? Is it contractors? I mean, how you want your contacts, how you want your opportunities, how what are your KPIs, on what KPIs you want the reports. Is that are you finding out how many deals a sales agent closed in a week? Or do you want to see how many sales order converted to opportunity? Do you want a report based on forecasting? I mean, it's anyway you want to have a a one side results of your business. We can develop the reports based on your KPIs. That's the best thing. That's why companies are really going towards Salesforce. This is just an interesting slide. On the left, you will see all the leaders: Netflix, Uber, Amazon, Apple, A&B. These are all market leaders, and they're all Salesforce users. And this is just a marketing research that if you spend $1 on CRM, you basically get 8.71 in return. Now, what's my role? I'm a consultant. I have Salesforce developers, architects who have more than 10, 15 years of experience. Okay, we have CTOs with 20 years of experience. We have more than, our developers and architects have more than 12 certifications of Salesforce. They are amazing. We give you the consultations. We speak to you. We understand your challenges which you're facing. We understand your business infrastructure. And based on that, we implement, we guide you how you will have Salesforce for your business. Let's suppose today, one of my customer, let's say Tahakkam, they got Sales Cloud from me, and they're actually my customer. They got Sales Cloud from me. Tomorrow, they are interested in Marketing Cloud. They're doing a lot of extensive marketing, and it's not being able to handle manually. Now they want to go to a platform. So I implement a Marketing Cloud for them. All right. So next, support. That's in terms of training. We do Arabic training, we do English training, we can do French training based on what kind of trainings you want. And every project, it starts with a discovery phase where we understand the complete data model and workflows and business processes. And it ends up with a user training and an admin training. Usually the partners don't do admin training because that gives you the independence and the empowerment to do small customizations in future yourself. Usually partners miss this thing because they want the customer to be handicapped. So they come to them, they want to sign an AMC, so they earn out of it. No, believe me, Citrix is not one of those partners. We love our customers to learn. We want to make them comfortable, and we want to make them completely trained and have hands-on expertise on the platform. I didn't have any failure, Alhamdulillah. And why is that so? Because I follow a strict step-by-step approach. I first understand your challenge. I don't straight away go and show you, okay, this is how Salesforce works, this is how Service Studio works, see, these are the features, this is how you create a case, this is how you create a lead. No, it's not going to make sense. First, try to listen to your customer, what he's doing, why is he suffering, does he need any improvement, what are his areas of challenges, how he wants to improve, and then jump to which product is going to match his need. Because, see, I am very, very concerned about company timelines and budget. I don't want to disappoint them that I say that, okay, your project can be done in 6 weeks, but I end up doing it in 12 weeks. That's ridiculous. So I always try to first of all have a joint consent on how much time it is a specific project is going to take for your case, because it's case to case. There's no standard. I'm not selling a hardware. It's a custom development. This whole Salesforce is custom developed for every organization. So every project, every requirement differs. One company, let's suppose DARP, the one who are doing Hajj pilgrims, their Salesforce was developed in 2 weeks, okay, because their requirement was very straightforward. But then coming to Misk City, it's still going 10 months because the product is huge. They have three types of real estate, commercial, residential, and one more, and it's a huge project because they have payment gateways, they have DocuSigns, it's a lot going on. So it all depends what kind of project you have. And then we go step by step towards a development of the business and the functional model. And every phase we do, it's the teamwork. Let's suppose I start the implementation. Before that, I will say, okay, let's suppose, Muhammad, are you okay with all the data model? Is this the way you want to capture the details? Okay, khalas, I start the implementation. Once I build few sections of Salesforce, I bring them on the call, I show them, okay, this is how it's progressing. They will give their reviews. No, it's not. Do this change. I add one more field. Let's suppose you added a comma number. I want to add passport number also in my contact management. Please add this field or remove this field. This field has to be mandatory to be filled. This field does not need to be mandatory. So it's an exercise which is very healthy. And then we go towards developing training, and then we are always there to support you. These are some of my success stories, gentlemen and ladies. Misk Academy, Alhamdulillah, they are live. They are doing nationwide education courses in Saudi Arabia. It's a nonprofit, and we developed the whole platform on Salesforce, not just a sales cloud, the whole business model. Let's suppose I'm a student. I go on their website, I create my profile. From that point till the point my request for course is approved or rejected. If it's approved, what's going to be the next step? Am I going to get a brochure of my course, a payment plan? A trainer is assigned to me, a class is assigned to me, a timetable is assigned to me. If I'm rejected, what's going to be? Is there like an alternative course offered to me? Or am I sent an apology message? And let's suppose if I'm going through a course, I graduate, what do I need to do? I receive all my documents. So everything is on Salesforce. And this, if you see the results they are giving me from Misk Academy, that they reduce their manual work significantly, okay? And they have better visibility on our data due to easy reporting tools, and Salesforce has the most powerful tools. And communication with the students has significantly improved because we automated a lot of emails using customized templates. We create templates for you as well. Cloud Solutions, it's a subsidy of Suleiman Al Habib Hospital. They are another happy customer. I would like to read the testimonial of Mr. Tamer, who is the Director of Business Development. Without a doubt, Salesforce has very positive impact on our company, especially on our sales team. More visibility on day-to-day activities, streamlining the sales processes, lead validations, better pipeline planning, enhanced reporting and KPI monitoring. these are the immediate positive effects we felt immediately. I mean, they were live, and within a month, they realized that they are getting all these advantages. I'm sure Salesforce will have more business impact by time. So this is something what Saudi Arabia customers are speaking about my services. Then this is another customer, Savito. They are a very big group of Al Rashid, and they are contractors, and they are providing construction materials. We develop Sales Cloud for them. Then these are my partners. These are some of my customers which I have put in on this presentation. Obviously, there are a lot more, but I just mentioned few, and most of them are mentioned Saudi Arabia. Tahakam, Dorib, Shifa Clinic, Janjum, Gulf Cotton, Asset, Cloud Solutions, Savito, MISC Foundation, MISC Academy, and Dana Bay. They are all my Saudi Arabia customers. We were the first one to bring Salesforce to Saudi Arabia. Can you imagine? They never came to Saudi Arabia, and we pushed them, come to Saudi Arabia. I mean, this is a huge market for you. And we were keynote speakers at CET conference. It was, mashallah, a very nice experience. We were awarded a most valuable contributor in one of the training sessions, which was for the partners in Dubai. And we were awarded for that. This picture is just few, captured memories to share with our people. It's about our inauguration of office and then signing the contract with Shifa. And then we are the only partner to do a Salesforce workshop in 2019. We had so many plans to do this year, but COVID actually didn't let us, do that. But obviously, there's going to be a lot in future. So, right, that was a lot about me, my company, about Salesforce, why I recommend Salesforce. Now, I want this webinar, rather than me speaking, I want the attendees to speak. And I see Sheikh Muhammad Inayat, I see Ms. Isra, Ms. Hind, Haneen, Hanan, Dr. Muhammad. I want to invite all of you. Please go ahead, ask my questions. What's in your mind? Are you interested to go for Salesforce? And I'm here to answer your questions.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Na. I hope you all enjoyed this amazing presentation. If you have any questions or would like to...
yeah, I allowed everybody to talk.
You can talk. Just raise your hand. All right. Okay, Mr. Chapo would like to say something.
Who?
Sheikh Muhammad. Just give him an access to share.
Yeah, ask to unmute. Please unmute. Because I've given you you can unmute. Yeah.
He said it. He said it really is interesting.
Assalamu alaikum, Muhammad. How are you?
Yes, good. Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Muhammad. Please let me know how and what questions you have.
Actually, I joined this session. It's around 10 minutes late, but I need to know complete about the CRM. The first time that I joined your presentation.
Okay.
Really, it is interesting,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
So, Mr. Muhammad, we will have a one-on-one meeting with you with our solution architects, and we will give a complete demo. But just one question. So, from which organization you are, sir?
Actually, we are one of the audit firm.
Okay.
Financial audit firm. Perfect.
And how many employees you are in your firm?
It's around 50.
50.
Yes.
Perfect, sir. And you don't have any CRM at the moment?
No, we don't have any CRM.
Okay, perfect. So, Mr. Muhammad, in the chat panel, can you add your email and I will send you a meeting request for maybe tomorrow, and we can have a discovery call with you.
Sure, right. Of course.
Perfect. Anybody else?
Anybody would like to ask a question? Let's see.
Yeah. So look at how it's integrated with Avaya. Okay, yeah, there's a question about customer care and how it's integrated with Avaya. Ms. Hind, I would suggest we have another call where I will bring Avaya because they are our partners. They will give you a demo of CTI integration with Salesforce. Okay, a lot of my customers, they want, let's suppose I'm a call agent. Okay, I get a call +966. It appears on my Salesforce and a pop-up screen opens which gives me all the details. Let's suppose if they are my existing customer, I get all the information. Mr. Blah, 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 organization, blah, blah, blah. Okay, they have any past queries or any past complaints, their case status, everything appears to me in a pop-up screen. And I speak to him accordingly rather than asking, what's your problem? Okay, what happened? Who you spoke to? Because I will get the whole background, the whole history in one pop-up message. Okay, and then I can route that call to, because I will have on the screen who is the assigned customer care agent for that specific customer, and I can engage them to the customer. So that's the whole demo where we actually do a Avaya integration with Salesforce. So are you interested to see likewise? Yeah. Yes, Ms. Hind, I can hear you.
Yeah, I would like to thank you first of all, Esna and Islam, for the great presentation. Yes, actually, I'll be in touch with you after this meeting or after this uh, presentation to discuss with you another inquiry. It's related also to the web because I just realized in the third slide that you are doing web design and web development as mobile app as well.
That is right. That is right, Ms. Hind.
So I'll call you after the meeting, inshallah.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Ms. Hind. Thank you so much. Any more questions?
Any question, please share it with us.
Yeah, if you need to know more about any product or any inquiry if you have, because now we are going to do a one-on-one call with all of you based on your request, what you would like to know more, because obviously, the time for webinar is short, and we want your case to be discussed one-on-one with you as per your requirement or challenges. So
it looks like we've covered all of our questions. Is there anything else you want to cover before we end this session, Mrs. Lim?
No, I think that's it.
Okay. Thank you again, Mrs. Na, for answering those questions and
I'm
for the great
sorry.
presentation. It was a pleasure to have you with us, Mrs. Na. Also, one more thing I would like to share, just a small video before we end this webinar.
Cetrix has been built on a simple observation that everything that makes a company successful comes from how they engage with their customers.
The unique thing about us is our people and our culture. We are not just a software services company. Our passion is seeing people bring new ideas and new models together and making them more human.
At the heart of it, we have one important idea nested, and that is building and nurturing lifelong relationships.
We help businesses in the healthcare sector engage with patients more effectively, lowering stress and increasing patient satisfaction.
In the finance industry, it's all about making customers feel valued by connecting and creating trust. An affinity that creates brand loyalty will be developed over time.
Life sciences changes at, well, the speed of life. Staying both agile and innovative is vital to your success. Salesforce lets us create a personal connection, deliver quality patient care, and at the end of the day, save more lives.
It's not just a technology. We look at customers as actual people, not walking wallets on the other end of the line. And so you should use an innovative method to connect with them.
We can help you redefine your marketplace to create your future in partnership with your customers. That's what we're trying to deliver.
Empathy is the glue that connects us all together. Without it, we're machines. With it, we're human.
Connect with your customers and clients the whole new way.
Connect with your patients the whole new way.
Connect with your constituents the whole new way.
Connect with your customers and clients in a whole new way.
All right, thank you all for attending. We hope you have learned and enjoyed this presentation, and we will see you next time, inshallah.
We will send you the recording of this webinar once we get it on our cloud, and we will share with all of you. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you so much. Take good care of yourselves. Stay safe. Take care of your families, and we will have another webinar very soon. And please, before we end the call, I would like to type here my email address. I wanted it to all panel to use, yeah. .com, and this is my number. Okay, you can read. Currently, I'm in Pakistan for a few days, but my roaming is on. But I'm in
Riyadh.
Yeah, Islam is in Riyadh. Sometimes my signals are a little bit down, but I'm readily available on WhatsApp, so you can always reach me there. Islam, please type your number as well.
Yeah, that's all right. Sure.
Right. So we will be in touch with you. Call us, ring us, message us anytime.
Yeah, we're available. Yeah, we're available at any time.
If you need Salesforce, if you need CRM, if you need web app, if you need mobile app, if you need integration between any two platforms, we are here to help you, inshallah. Stay safe, everybody. Thank you so much. It was an honor for all of you to be with us. Take care. Ma salam. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.